So I got me 21 50-foot trusses to the tune of $7,000. Now that is with tax. Now before I throw up this first one, I'm gonna go ahead and set the purlings and my edges. That way I don't have to do that in the air. So these 50-foot trusses were delivered by a full-blown semi, and the delivery driver was pretty fearless. I don't know how it comes across on camera, but it is tight back here, and he just zoomed on around and had them dropped in no time. And if you've ever seen these things dropped off the trailer, it is not very pleasant when you see a $7,000 bill just kind of flop on the ground real hard, but it didn't hurt him then. We are going to get to test out my highly engineered temporary truss setting boom. So the boom got caught on something and twisted it sideways, and since you can't see what you're doing with that boom way out there and the bucket in the way, it just snapped. So I think this would have worked out okay if I had ran a brace farther on up here back to the side of the bucket rather than just these braces I got back here. But lesson learned. Oh no! Bucket truck is christening my fresh concrete with oil. My shop floor is ruined. Just joking. It'll be the first of many oil spills. Now if you look up into the sky, I got two kickers going from the wall up to the top of the truss. So I'm just bracing that wall against the roof. Now I don't have any science to prove this, but I believe that will help keep this wall stiff. And it seems like the right thing to do. So a viewer suggested that I bolt all of these trusses down, stick a through bolt. Now I do have all these trusses nailed and screwed, and I hadn't planned on doing this, but you know, after he mentioned that, that's actually some pretty cheap assurance to spend an extra $100 to possibly save these several $1,000s worth of trusses from blowing off the roof. So that's all for the truss video. All went fairly smooth, a little bit time consuming getting them all straight and whatnot, but not too bad a deal. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Keep thinking.